What's up YouTube? Nate back with another video from Teaching Technology. I own a custom integration company where I help clients implement technology into their homes and make their everyday lives easier. Today, we have a bunch of products that you've seen in previous videos of mine where we unbox them. Today we're going to do a pre-deployment for them. So this client has a Ubiquiti system that's going to be installed either end of this week or early next week. So we have his network rack that we're gonna build. We have a bunch of Ubiquiti equipment, including a UDM Pro, a USW, some G4 Pro cameras, as well as a Ubiquiti doorbell. The client already has a Dream Machine and a couple APs throughout the house that we wired about 6 months ago. He's looking to make an upgrade and start adding some more equipment, so that's where we're gonna go now. I handle all types of things in that smart home arena. So if these are the types of products that you're interested in, I do have a full guide on how to implement these types of technologies into your own home, as well as lots of other videos running through the setup wizards, how to implement them into your homes, how to wire for them. If this is the type of content you like, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So that it's not just a complete voiceover video, I would take you through some of the other pieces that we do with this particular rack. So one of the things that I'm working on right now is I'm just putting our faceplate on a 1U blank. We do these so that it looks more professional. The client has a phone number to call for service. But moreover, which we run into frequently, is if the client sells the home, a lot of the times the network equipment stays with it. Not all the time, but it does happen sometimes. So the new owners have someone to call that can service it. And we keep all of our notes and records about that system, where the drops are, how they're labeled, our labeling scheme that we use. So it just makes it easier. And in general, it's better for the client. One of the things that I'd like to kind of dive more into with this YouTube channel is finding out what you guys are interested in. If you're just interested in the products that I install, I'm happy to dive more deeply into those individual products. I have, in general, kind of stayed away from like actual deployment videos in the unified dashboard and things like that. I think there's a lot of great content out there already that doesn't necessarily need me to go in and just repeat that same thing. So if you're interested in that side, there's tons of great Ubiquiti walkthroughs and setup. And to be fair, people that are significantly more adept at the network side of things, they're probably the ones to go watch. If you wanted, on my team, there are plenty of people that are very good at that, but they're not the ones sitting here in front of the camera. So what I'm good at is the business side of things. So maybe you're interested in starting a similar type business where you're doing installs for clients, whether it's residential or commercial. I'd be more than happy to dive more in depth on the business side of things. So like how we acquire clients, what we do, what I think works best advertising wise and things like that. That is more my side of the business anyway. Our techs do a phenomenal job out in the field. Our clients are 99.9% of the time happy with the work that we do. We manage all the products for them, which is something that you don't typically see on the residential side. Commercial, everybody is used to seeing MSPs and people that manage that whole ecosystem for you on the commercial side, but the residential, that really doesn't exist. And I did a video previously where I talked about what made me get into this. My background is in wireless sales. I sold phones for a decade. I owned a phone store. And I watched people really struggle with IoT products and basic technology products. So I knew the need was there. And I've always loved tech. So I've always dabbled in networks. I really like automation. I've always been an audio guy. But in general, my main thing is I like customer service. I like taking care of people. I like helping them. And I do like the sales aspect. So the operational side of the business, if that's something you're interested in, drop a comment, let me know. Let's talk about it. And so I'm going to make up the faceplate here. I'll run some footage of that, and then I'm gonna unbox all of the Ubiquiti products here. So going into that rack that you just watched me build, we have a watt box, we have a USW 16-port switch, a UDM Pro, Ubiquiti's patch panel, 2 G4 bullets, and a G4 doorbell. So this is the completed rack to a degree. I won't deploy all the product into the actual rack, but since I was doing some of it, I figured I might as well, for the YouTube channel, throw it all in here. That's why you'll see like a lot of them only have 2 screws in opposite corners. They obviously all get 4 screws. The black panels get black screws. I'm very particular about how racks end up looking, but this area right below the watt box will have a brush plate that will house all of the power cables. And then above it, you can see there's 2 G4 bullets and a G4 doorbell that will be going for this client. So here it is. Here's a completed rack that we regularly install this suite. This is our like basic network suite for higher end homes. I have got asked more than once why I use a watt box versus Ubiquiti's power management system. It's purely just because I can never get them in stock. Anytime I go to buy one, it's out of stock for whatever reason. Maybe I just have poor timing. Whenever I don't need one, they're in stock. And then I'll go back like an hour later, let's buy 3 or 4 of them, keep them in the showroom here, and I miss them. And they're always marked up an insane amount on third-party resellers. I am not a big enough business to be a direct Ubiquiti dealer. I don't get any kickbacks from Ubiquiti. I don't have an affiliate code. I like their products. They work the best. I have access to a lot of dealer-only network products. For those of you who may know the industry to a degree, Wattbox is a dealer-only product. They do a lot of different power conditioning systems. They are IP-controlled power conditioners, essentially, and then they get into like full PDUs and things like that. So I have access to the full Arachnus suite, which is also a Snap product. I can go with Luxol. I can do Juniper. All these like dealer-only style networking pieces or network companies, but I prefer Ubiquiti. It's what I've personally used. I get the least amount of issues with it. It has a big name brand, and clients have the best user interface, which is really important in my industry. I try and get the least amount of callbacks to clients. I don't want to have to roll a truck for issues that could have been solved over the phone or something easy. And when a client has a really nice UI to use, our truck rolls go down significantly. So I like that the cameras are all built into the network equipment. It's just a better, in my opinion. I mean, at the end of the day, Wi-Fi and hardwired internet, there's a lot of different ways to get there. Everyone has an opinion on if you're doing it right or you're doing it wrong. This is how we do it. This is the recipe that works for us. I'd love to hear a different version. Maybe you have the same, maybe with the same equipment, you think we do it differently than you. Tell us. I'd love to hear it. I don't think there's any such. I don't take criticism in a bad way. So.